been fortunate that over the last 30 years, I've been able to work in over 900 towns in India physically, 100 towns abroad, and 2,000 villages in India, all physically. Not flying over them or passing them in a train, but actually physically having worked. And what one has seen is that the immense nature of opportunities which exist, provided you do two things. One is you preach, that means you educate consumers, you advertise, create awareness, etc. But that's not the topic today. The other part is, apart from preach, you need to reach. You need to reach the consumer. So one side there is visibility, but the other big opportunity is availability. When a Louis Vuitton decides कि its next showroom is going to be opened in Surat, तो आप समझ लीजिए Louis Vuitton को India समझ आ रही है. India is divided into two segments according to me, and that's why this is the basis of the presentation. One segment is the perspiration segment. Perspiration मतलब पसीना बहाओ, मार-धाड़ करो, pricing का, undercutting का, margin का खींचातानी, all that kind of stuff. And there is the other segment, which is the aspiration segment. And in India, people perspire to aspire. And if you are not able to understand that transition, तो आप फंस जाओगे perspiration segment में. And you will only keep aspiring, someone else will be aspiring. So you have to understand that distribution में भी सिर्फ physical reach नहीं है. Policies हैं, systems हैं, strategies हैं, और distributor को भी एक brand बनाने की, अपनी company की brand बनाने की जरूरत पड़ती है. It is going to relate on two things, and that is the good news for most people in distribution. The first thing is going to be service, and the second thing is going to be relationship. क्योंकि सब कुछ होने के बाद भी customer is going to buy from that distributor or channel partner or whoever is going to be able to reach is the one who gives service and the one who has a good relationship. Very, very important to understand कि एक हाथ में आप relationship रखिए, दूसरे हाथ में service रखिए. कोई आपको हिला नहीं सकेगा distribution. मगर अगर आप सोचते हो कि undercutting के कारण आप customer खींचोगे, customer आपसे smart है. अगर आप समझते हो कि कोई और कारण कर लोगे, तो customer आपसे smart है. So the big opportunity is that distribution can build brands as distributors if they have the two cornerstones of service and of relationship, which is going to last for the next 20 years. Otherwise, everything is parity. It is not only rural and urban. There are 4 types of markets. The other 2 are very profitable for distribution. One is urban, one is rural. There is a third one called rural, which is on the outskirts of urban. जो rural और urban के बीच में है. Why do you think Thana is the fastest growing district in India? Because it was on the outskirts of Mumbai. तो काम करने जाते थे साउथ मुंबई और रहने जाते थे थाना. और आहिस्ते 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 थाना ग्रो हो गया. And that is the fastest growing. Why do you think New Mumbai, or for that matter, a Panvel or a Kharghar or a Vashi, is booming? And if you don't believe me, just go and have a look at the Mercedes showroom in Vashi. It's a great showroom. BMW is starting, others are. The important thing is the third type of market, which is the rural one. Urban के outskirts पे, rural से पहले. Highly profitable. And the fourth market, which will surprise you, highly profitable, which is in the middle of urban areas, is the slum market. And have increased drastically IT, gadgets, durables, mobile phones. So the largest proportion is that. अभी तो अभी डिश टीवी है, ये टीवी है, वो टीवी है, डिजिटल है. You ask a housewife, उसके घर पे पानी नहीं आता है, चलेगा. वो केबल नहीं आता है, हंगामा हो जाएगा. Because entertainment or communication has become a part of very strong life. So we must understand that one of the biggest opportunities is you. But people don't want to go deep down and understand. And the joke is the rural, urban, slum and urban areas are not segregated. एक कोने में सब urban है, एक कोने में सब rural है, एक कोने में सब slum है. They are all interspersed. They are all integrated. So therefore you have to look for the profitable markets and distribute there where the cost of distribution is less, but the sales are more, volume is more and profit is more. So you have to select. So distribution is a very scientific and a strategic way which is profitable, and in addition make your own brand. Because a brand has respect, a brand is looked up by customers. Select the right geographical market. Choose. It doesn't matter how big it is. मैं उदाहरण देता हूँ वेल्स का, कुएं का. It doesn't make sense कि you have 100 कुआं. You know, a lot of distributors want मेरे को ज़्यादा territory चाहिए, ज़्यादा territory चाहिए. It doesn't make sense. The more you are having, you'll have to travel, you'll have to spend on fuel, you'll have to spend on time, you'll have to spend on effort. You need to have a concentrated territory. So instead of having 100 wells, 100 कुएं and one balti, one bucket and trying to go ऊपर से लेने का. It is better to have one well, एक territory लो and 100 buckets of घुसो बीच में और take it out because there is no ending of what kind of water can come out. So strategically choose the right geographical market. Many a times distributors make an error. And they make an error not because of go, but because of ego. So start local. It makes sense. Select the right distribution partner. You are the distribution partner, but select the one whom you are going to distribute products for. उनकी अगर पॉलिसी सही नहीं है, वो एक दूसरे के साथ झगड़ा करवाते हैं, अंडरकटिंग करवाते हैं, क्लियरली नॉट डिफाइंड, यूनिफॉर्म पॉलिसी नहीं है, वो तो मरेगा बाद में, पहले आप करोगे. So select the right distribution partner. Because many people say this is the practice in the market. Therefore we are having this policy. That is wrong. You have to say this is the right policy which I will make the market practice. And then everyone makes money, including the company, the OEM, as well as the distributor. Otherwise, most of the time you are doing social services. You work so hard, at the end of the day, bottom line there. Then there will be a problem. So choose the right one. If you don't do that, sorry, you should not be in the distribution field. And I would recommend 5 S's which I'd like to share with you. First thing is service, as I told you. You must understand that someone part also. Second is supply. Half the problems are supply late ho gaya, no supply, out of stock, overstock, supply your problem. Then what is the big idea? Distribution means you have to have efficiency. It is not only the right quantity but also at the right time. How did distribution evolve? It evolved through a system called logistics. How did logistics evolve? Logistics evolved from the army. Roman army, Greek army, this army, that army. Because soldier तो झगड़ा करता है, मगर अगर आपने उसको वन एरो नहीं दिया, उसको घर नहीं दिया, उसको खाने का चीज, पहनने का चीज नहीं दिया, उसको सब पूरा लॉजिस्टिक कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं किया तो फिनिश्ड. So supply is extremely important. Showcase, display करो. छोटी चीज हो, बड़ी चीज हो, डिस्प्ले करो. जैसे बहुत साल पहले मेरी बुक में लिखा था, मैडम ने बोला, जो दिखता है वो दिखता है. वो मेरा लाइन फेमस हो गया. दूसरा लाइन जो फेमस नहीं हुआ वो भी लिखा था, जो मिलता है वो खिलता है. ठीक है, पर जो दिखता है वो दिखता बहुत फेमस हो गया. खाली राखी सावंत बोलती तो डर. ठीक है. Then store penetration. You have to penetrate as many stores. I don't understand this concept of exclusive distribution, selective distribution. ये क्या बात हुई भाई? मैं आपको दूंगा, बाकी को नहीं. अब वो जो बंदा है वो तो बोलेगा ये पूरा एरिया में मेरे को ही दो, उसका फायदा हो गया, मगर आपका नुकसान हो गया, कंपनी का भी नुकसान हो गया. आपको तो बोलना मैं तो सबको दूंगा यार, जो भी मेरी पॉलिसी फॉलो करता है, क्योंकि हर एक कस्टमर अपने अपने स्टोर्स पे जाता है ना, तो उतने कस्टमर तो आपके चले गए. You have to increase the penetration of store. So if you don't have wide store penetration, then you are actually missing out, not stores, you are missing out customers. And that is a big problem. You may think that you are available, but actually you are not. And the last thing is sales growth. You have to constantly drive it. Not this kind of growth. कि एक मैच में 1 रन बनाया, फिर नेक्स्ट मैच में 2 रन बनाया, 100% growth, 100% no. You should try to score a century in every match. So it is quantum and percentage. Because India will grow. and continue to grow in the next 20 years. Good government, good growth, bad government, bad growth, no government, very good growth. Okay? If we allow entrepreneurs to go and do whatever they want ना 5 साल तक तो बहुत growth हो जाएगा. Anyway, वो हो नहीं सकता. That is just a pipe dream. But the fact of the matter is, growth is there, opportunities are there, and every day you don't have to go far. It is under your nose. It is next to you if you look for it in distribution. Build a winning brand for your distribution. And you have to be in a position to think distribution. You are in a very, very respected, highly profitable, opportunity-oriented business. But look at what I shared with you, and if you find something useful, use it. Thank you very much for your patience.